Hi, this is my security camera system here. The brand name is Zosi, and I've already made a couple of videos about it and talked about how to set up the system, how to monitor the cameras either locally or remotely, and also what methods I can use to extend the range of the wireless network for the cameras. The links to all those videos is actually in the video description in case you want to check out. But some people asked me if there is any way to turn the cameras into wired cameras and basically use the wired network to connect them instead of the wireless network. So in this video I'm going to show how we can do that. I'm actually going to disable the wireless network on one of the cameras and connect it by using an Ethernet cable only. Where are the other cameras? There should be 4 of them. They're mounted outside on the wall. I don't need them. Make sure the video is not boring and it's entertaining. Entertain people. What do you care? Get out! I'm so sorry for this interruption. I apologize. So before we start, I just wanted to say that there are other security camera systems with different brand names that are more or less the same as the one that we have here. So this method should work for them too. But first, let's have a look at the network diagram here. My NVR has only one Ethernet port, and that is used to connect the NVR to the network, which in my case goes to my wireless router. The camera also connects to the wireless router using the Ethernet cable. This way the NVR can reach the camera through the wireless router. So it is actually a very simple setup. The only thing is that the camera's LAN IP address should be on the same network as the wireless router and NVR. So right now, as you can see, the camera 2 is connected to the NVR using the wireless network. So basically what I need to do is to connect the camera directly with an Ethernet cable to my computer so I can make some changes on the camera. These Zosi cameras have a default LAN IP address of 192.168.1.168. So I'm going to assign an IP address to the computer which is on the same network as the camera, and then open a browser and type in the camera's IP address so I can log into its web interface. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to disable the wireless network on this camera because I'm not gonna use it anymore. Then on its LAN interface, I'm gonna give it an IP address which is valid on my network. My network is 192.168.1.0. So this IP address is already valid on my network, but I just don't like this IP address and I'm gonna change it to 192.168.1.241. And now I can connect the camera to my wireless router. So now on the NVR, I'm gonna go to the video manage page, and here I'm gonna delete the camera 2, which is the channel 2. Now as the channel 2 is selected, I'm gonna go to the manual edit page. Here I'm gonna type in the camera's LAN IP address and then enable it. And as you can see, the camera is now successfully connected. Alright guys, hope you liked this quick video. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Thank you very much, and I see you next time.